I'm Alex Rowe.
And I'm James Schutz.
And we are here to help you with your National Registry Recertification course submissions and application process using the continuing education courses you have purchased with the NREMT package.
First of all, we appreciate your purchase of our program, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as us and all our instructors have enjoyed bringing it to you. While CE Solutions does not submit the course for you, we have simplified the process to make your recertification as easy as it can be. We've created an integration guide to assist you in this process. Let's show you where you can find the integration guide on our website.
Okay guys, let's start out on the CE Solutions website at ems-ce.com. In the top right side of the screen, you will see a tab listed as Help. Click on it. Move down to Resource Center. Click again. This will open up the CE Solutions Resource Center. In the center of the page, you'll see the NREMT Resource Center. Listed under there are the options for the integration guides. They're listed by certification level. We have the EMR, the EMT, the Advanced EMT, and the paramedic level. Click on the certification level that fits you and it opens a new tab. This is the integration guide for our NREMT program.
The integration guide is broken into three parts: the national, state, and local components. You'll find a yellow section, that's the national, and the green is the state, and the blue is the local component. This guide tells you the topic and the total of hours that are covered during that class. For instance, under the national component, the course Advanced Airway Module 1 covers 2 hours of ventilation. You'll use this information for the rest of your application. For this tutorial, we'll utilize the Paramedic Integration Guide. Now here's Alex to go over how to properly input the courses into your National Registry accounts for recertification.
Hey guys, Alex here. I'm going to walk you through on how to enter in your hours that you have obtained through CE Solutions using the integration guide. First, you're going to go to nremt.org and you're going to sign in. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side of the page, make sure the drop-down under My Current Role is selected on My Certification. At the center of the page, you will find step 1, 2, and 3 on how to submit your CE hours to the NREMT. Please click on step 1, which is Add Courses to your transcript. Once the page has finished loading, please click on the yellow button on your page that says Add New Course to My Transcript. This will bring you to a page where you will enter in each individual course that you have taken. Please make sure you follow these steps for each certificate you have obtained. Under Course Details, the first drop-down says Course Type. All courses through CE Solutions should be listed as Continuing Education Course. Next, you will enter in the course name. You can find this on your certificate where it says CE Module Title. For this example, we're going to use Advanced Airway Module 1 as a sample course. So go ahead and type in Advanced Airway Module 1 in the course name box. Next, you will select who the course is approved by. Make sure you select the state EMS office. We are accredited by the state of Texas and California. No matter where you are, the NREMT accepts courses by a program who is state accredited. So again, select state EMS office, then select Texas. On your certificates in CE Solutions, you will find the course completion date. For this example, we're going to put November 17th, 2020. Next is the course duration. Please make sure it matches what your certificate says under total hours awarded. For this class, it will be 2 hours. There will be 2 questions after that. The first one is, did you teach this course? Please select no. The second question is, was an instructor present at this course? Within this NREMT package, you have access to both F3 and F5 course types. If you are unsure what that means, there are various types of continuing education materials out there which are labeled F1, F2, F3, and F5. So basically, F1 is all in live person CEs, such as like a conference. F2 is also live in person, but those are your card classes like CPR, ACLS, PALS. And then F3 is online distributive material. So CE Solutions does offer the F3 material, which are all of your article-based CE. So you can access material that's either written, audio, or video content, and then take a test to receive your credit. Now, the NREMT does limit the amount of CEs that you can obtain within the section, which is why you also need F5 hours. F5 is virtual instructor-led training. So basically courses that are held in webinar-style environment with a live instructor at a scheduled time. So this course, Advanced Airway Module 1, was live through Adobe Connect. So you're going to select yes, an instructor was present. Now you have the option to upload attachments. Personally, with me being a National Registry paramedic myself, I always attach certificates that I obtain. In case of an audit, I know I can always refer back to my account to find the certificates. And also, please don't forget that your certificates are also stored in the CE Solutions account at all times. And then make sure you always either print them off or save them somewhere safe as a backup in case you do get audited. So it's optional. You don't have to upload the certificate, but if you want to, that's where you will do it. Next, you'll enter in information about the course location. This is in reference to wherever you live or wherever you took the course. So use your home city and state. The last section has additional information about the course. The more details, the better when entering your CE courses. Under lead instructor name, if you do not remember who taught the class, that is okay. Just enter in CE Solutions. If the NREMT audits you and they really want the instructor's name, all of our courses are recorded so we can provide the instructor's name for them. Please do not contact us for the instructor name unless specified by the NREMT during an audit. Remember, it is your responsibility to keep up with specifics. For course description, you can take the information on your CE certificate and copy and paste it in this section. For this course, you're going to receive 2 hours of airway content, specifically over ventilation. So here you would put ventilation. You can also find what the course covers on the integration guide, which you'll need for the next step. Under sponsor, you will type in CE Solutions. Now you need to decide to do one of two things. Either click on Save and add another course, which will be required if you have more CEs to add to your transcript. For this tutorial, we are going to click Save and View Transcript. Once you're back to the page where your transcript is located, please find the class you just entered. So for this one, it's Advanced Airway Module 1. On the far right-hand side under Research Topic Map, click on Unassigned. This will bring you to the page where you will assign the course to the topic area it covers. Please make sure you utilize the integration guide to assist you. On the integration guide, Advanced Airway Module 1 covers 2 hours of ventilation. Ventilation will be an airway topic, so find the airway section under National Component and click Assign. All 2 hours have now been successfully entered and assigned appropriately. You will continue to do this for each certification you receive until all hours in your package are completed and assigned. Now that you have completed the application and it has been submitted to the National Registry, all you have to do is wait for approval.
We hope that you have enjoyed this product and will return in 2 years for the next recertification period. Until then, have a great day and stay safe out there.